Yes guys, I'm totally in my PJs underneath this sweater, and I'm also totally not wearing a bra. Wow, I've really given up on life. Talking about giving up in life and being a complete failure, today I'm trying to bake. Hey mom and random people on the internet watching this right now, it's Zizi and this is my third baking video. They say third time lucky, so hopefully this doesn't turn out like a complete mess like it normally does. Basically I wanted to film something today but I didn't really know what. So what do I normally do in this situation? I go to the kitchen, bake something and document it on camera. Because obviously it's kind of a win-win situation whenever I do that. You guys get a good video, my mom gets something mostly yummy to eat, and I get to live through another traumatic experience in the kitchen and also edit through hours of footage. Hi, I'm Zizi, welcome to my TED Talk. No, just kidding, today I actually chose to do something very simple. Not that my other recipes ever were kind of complicated. By the way, link down below, check them out. It's actually a fun time. No, but today I actually wanted to bake something that's kind of popular in Germany. I think in English you call those things apple turnovers. It's basically like flaky pastry or puff pastry, whatever you call it, and then that's filled with apple, and it's actually yummy AF. So that's what we're trying to do today. But before we get started, I'm already stressing out, so I'm gonna quickly get my tea. Slurping away without a sound effect. I'm not Emma Chamberlain, sorry guys. By the way, if we're talking about sipping tea, I realized something. Basically, what does sipping tea even mean? I'm gonna explain it to you guys. It basically means that you talk about juicy stuff. So, wait, one sec. We call that kind of stuff we talk about juicy, but we call it sipping tea. Doesn't make sense, guys, right? So I'm not trying to change the world, but to be honest, we should call it sipping juice. You know what? I'm actually gonna tweet about that sipping juice theory. Like, this could go viral. Together we could change like the whole world on the internet. So I'm actually gonna link that tweet down below and you can like retweet it, share, spread awareness, you know. Just kidding, I actually just wanna go like viral for once because like my tweets are fucking awesome, to be honest. Anyway, I'm already rambling and we haven't even gotten into the video, so I'm gonna kind of start my baking now because that's what I wanted to do, right? So, this is a very basic recipe. Everything you need, whoa, this is my fridge door. Hello! Basically, everything you need is like your flaky pastry, your puff pastry, whatever you want to call it. In Germany, it comes on this big amazing roll and you can just like unroll it and then it's there on the countertop. But before I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna get some apples from our own garden, which is like fucking amazing.
A few moments later.
I would totally like kind of do a little juggle at this point, but I'm definitely not good at juggling stuff, so we're not gonna do that because we don't want to get hurt, like in a physical way. Emotionally, I'm already hurt because I have to film this video and I'm already stressing out because if you haven't watched the other videos, baking really isn't the skill I tend to go for because I'm absolutely horrible at it, to be honest, so wow, everyone clicking off of this video at this point. Actually, if you have even watched until this point, to be honest, but if you have, woo, love ya. So what we're gonna do is take our dough pastry stuff, lay that out on the countertop. Wow, the expiring date also was like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago, so hopefully this will work out. We'll see, otherwise this video is cancelled. Woo! Just like my career online, not that I ever had one. While I do this, let's talk for a bit, guys. How's life going? Have you gotten back into school yet? How are you coping with like getting up very early? Are you already getting back into like studying stuff and so on? If you are, by the way, I did an amazing video on like study tips. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I need to stop that. I need to stop that. I'm so hyper. Woo. My boobs are really shaking. I should have worn a bra, you know. Basically, I have like my pastry situation down here, but I obviously need to kind of chop up the apples. So before I'm gonna do that, I'm actually gonna peel them. Not my handy dandy peeler device thing, you know what I mean. Actually gonna so professional. Look at that muscle, guys, look at that muscle. I'm totally working out. Wish. Doesn't get more fun than this, to be honest. Also, like, this recipe isn't actually a recipe. I'm just like making this up from scratch. So we're gonna see how that whole thing turns out. Fucking cloud blocking the sun. I'm just really annoyed at you right now. Sun, come back. Just like the natives dance for the rain, I'm dancing for the sun, and it's coming back, it worked! Basically what I wanted to tell you guys is, if I have like one pro tip when it comes to like baking, cooking and like just kitchen stuff, is try and improvise, like try what you want to do and just like make it work your own way. To be honest, you shouldn't ever listen to my baking advice or cooking advice or any advice I ever give. I'm a massive failure when it comes to anything in life, to be honest. This lighting situation is fucking with me and I'm not here for that. Son, come back. Gonna get a knife. I got a knife. Didn't see that one coming, did you? Basically, I'm just gonna chop up my apple, cut towards yourself. Like, I used to be so scared of that, but now it's just easy as it goes. I'll probably cut my finger in this video, you just keep watching. Also, something I kind of wanted to chat to you guys about is the amazing support I always receive on my videos whenever I upload. Like, it's actually like the loveliest thing. I know so many people on Twitter nowadays. Like, shout out to you guys, you know who you are, and like, they are flippin' amazing. Thank you guys for always tuning in. Like, it actually means the world to me, you can't even imagine. Obviously, the numbers aren't that important to me because obviously, why would I still be doing this? When getting kind of the amount of views that I normally get and I'm still like uploading twice a week and stuff, like, it's a lot of work that goes into it, but I do it because I love it. So all the lovely comments I get from you guys actually are just like a major bonus that actually makes my day every time I see one. So if you want to take the time, definitely leave like a nice comment down below. Tell me about your day. Tell me just some random fact about you guys. Tell me what I should bake next, and also like kind of tell me video ideas. Like, you guys are the people that have to sit through my videos and actually watch them, so I definitely want to create what you guys actually want to see, kind of. Like, obviously I do like a lot of reacting stuff and I obviously love to do that. It's actually kind of fun and you guys love to watch it. So that's obviously like great fun, and I would love to know if you have anything particular that I should react to, but also like other video ideas, like just anything you want me to kind of talk about, to touch up on. I know in my vlogs I normally talk like about a more specific topic in the end, and you guys also love to watch my rant, story time kind of thingies. So if you have anything particular that you want me to talk about in the vlog, definitely comment about that below as well. And just know that you can always comment those kind of things. I also try my best to reply to every single one, which is obviously so much fun because I love to get in touch with you guys. That's also why I'm like highly active on my social media, especially Twitter. So you can also always kind of reach out in the direct messages, ask for advice, ask for like literally anything. And I kind of love to like chat to you guys, get to know you guys. Like, it's an international thing and it's so much fun, to be honest. It smells like Christmas. It kind of tastes like Christmas, like it's just like the best thing ever. By the way, talking about Christmas and also like talking about content, do you want me to do something special in December? Like, I know a lot of people do Vlogmas and I would love to do that, but then I think my vlogs are kind of boring, but then you guys enjoy them. I also am someone that actually loves Christmas, but I'm not that kind of a Christmassy and traditional person like throughout the whole of December. I normally just live my life like I always do, to be honest. But if you would like me to kind of create something and to kind of upload more frequently and stuff, like I could totally handle like a 5-minute video every day, I think. Like, if I know it now and I can kind of plan things around that, I could totally do that, you know? So definitely tell me about that as well in the comments. And also if you have like specific ideas that you would like me to kind of touch up on in December, also leave a comment down below, because here on zizi99 we make dreams happen. I think I'm actually gonna chop that into a little bowl.
A few moments later.
Basically, I chopped up my apple into these like small pieces. At this point you could probably also like take a pan and put some butter in it, heat it up, and then put the apples in there to kind of make them like caramelize and stuff, like with a little bit of sugar, which is actually something so yummy for like breakfast stuff. Like, you could just take a bowl of yogurt and then heat up your apples in the pan, put them on there, like it's the best thing. However, obviously those apples are gonna go into the pastry and then they're gonna go into the oven anyway, so I'm just like, they're gonna heat up in there, they're gonna get all squishy and mushy in the oven, so I'm not gonna do the whole pan thing because I'm just lazy AF. So I'm not gonna do that, but I'm actually gonna take a little bit of sugar and put that on the apples at this point, because I want the final product to be like all sweet and stuff. We don't want it healthy on the zizi99 channel, we're just unhealthy motherfuckers. The lighting is leaving me again. What is wrong? What have I done to you? I'm so bad at singing, that's probably the reason why you hate me. I'm gonna drink my tea then, just gonna wait. Wow, this video is already half an hour long. This is gonna be fun to edit. Woo! Can't wait. A little bit of sunlight is all I'm asking for. We're only growing older, baby. I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy just how fast the night changes? Everything that you've ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of, even when the night changes. It will never change, baby. It will never change, baby. It will never change, me and you. Wow, I've got that stuck in my head ever since it came out, to be honest. Okay guys, we're gonna change the lighting because this is like really fucking with me, to be honest. I hope this somehow works for me. We are gonna try our best. This always happens whenever I film in the kitchen. I'm already like a failure when it comes to baking and cooking. So those videos can't also like fail on the technical side, like I'm done. Anyway, on with the recipe. Basically I added some sugar into the apple thing, like just a little bit. We're not trying to go all overboard, but I'm actually gonna add some cinnamon because the combination of apple and cinnamon always, guys, always is a good decision. And I'm gonna add like a lot of it onto my apple situation in here. Like this is a minimum of cinnamon at this point. I'm gonna add more, to be honest. So right now I'm actually gonna chop up my pastry. I'm actually gonna make like 6 squares out of this, I think. You could also like totally go crazy and do like circular thingies and then fold them up and stuff. Like there's so many amazing things you could do with that, but I'm not gonna do them because I'm a basic bitch. Beauty blogger has problems. Whoa, don't let it slip, zizi. Basically, I'm just gonna put like a bit of the apple stuff in the middle and then I'm gonna fold them together like this and they're gonna create those cute little triangles. So that's what I'm gonna do. Wow, the sunlight is back. I'm overexposed. Fun times. And we're back to dark. What even is this? Now I'm gonna fold them together like this. Basically what I have now is those like triangle thingies, and I'm now actually gonna show you like the pro tip of all time. Basically you want to kind of press them together at the edges so they don't spill in the oven later on, and my pro tip is a fork. Because you know, whenever you buy like pastries and stuff, they normally come with those like perfectly laid edges that have those kind of riffles in them, and you can totally recreate that at home with the help of a fork. So basically I just take my fork and kind of press it down along the edges. They look so unprofessional and messy. Anyway, it's obviously like flaky pastry, so it will turn out looking messy in the end either way. So, at least that's what I tell myself. Wait, one sec. Basically what you kind of turn out with at this point looks kind of like this. Yes, this is totally the nicest one. The other ones are way more ugly, but you know, yeah, this should be like your kind of end result. The lighting is changing. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm almost done. I don't even know if I'm in focus anymore. I just don't care. Basically you're gonna put your pastry stuff in the oven at this point at like 150 degrees Celsius. If you measure your stuff in Fahrenheit, I don't give a fuck. You just look that up. I'm so done. I'm sorry guys. Wow, our baking tray is oily and fucking disgusting, but I don't care. Got to run my baking tray in this nice little formation. See you soon, guys. Anyway, before the whole lighting situation kind of fucks up all over again, I'm actually gonna film the outro real quick. So yeah, let's hope this baking situation actually kind of works out other than my other ones. We're gonna see on the pictures that I'm actually gonna put on the screen right now. Yeah, I know, I forgot to add the pictures last time. But still, if you want to watch that baking fail video that I did before, the links are in the bio. And while you're down there, you could totally give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, as I said before, don't leave comments with video ideas and also kind of stuff that I should bake or cook next. If you don't want to miss any of those potential baking and cooking videos in the future, you should totally subscribe to my channel. and also always click the bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. They are always a fun time to watch. And until the next one comes up, you can totally keep up with the mess that my life is over on my other social medias. Anyway, after this whole struggle, I see the lighting changing once again. I'm just gonna chill out for a bit and calm the fuck down, so thank you for wasting your time with me today. Okay. It's Friday and it's my mom's birthday. We're really important to each other. I just thought I'd say thank you for all the things that she does for me on an everyday basis. I'm thankful for my mom being the person that she is and also making me the person that I am today. There's no other person in my life that ever could make me as happy as my mom did and always does.